according to Mother Nature Network. So in a nutshell, two birds that weren't really chickens created a chicken egg, and hence, we have an answer. The egg came first, and then it hatched a chicken.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Where? I don't know if that. Wait. Oh, God.
Hey Google, do you have an imagination?
I just imagined a bear that plays the maracas.
Amazing.
Okay, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, watch your head. What is it? Starbucks gift card!
Yay! Thanks.
Yes! You want a photo with your gift?
Sure.
You have your camera phone?
Yep.
You gonna use it?
Yep, I just want to get a video of her though.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
I found a few coffee shop places near Las Vegas Convention Center. The first one is Starbucks. The second one is Vesta Coffee Roasters. The third one is the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf.
Want to get a picture?
Sure.
Okay.
All right. From the gumball? Or?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Our hashtag is Hey Google.
Okay. Thank you.
Wow, $40.
Wow, that's not bad.
That's not bad.
I'll have to open mine up and see how much it is. $20.
Good.
Awesome.